It is the third day of the 2-week-long Valley Thunder training hosted at Fresno's 144th Fighter Wing.
Our Wealthy Jenner showing us how this morning's takeoff went.
Taken to the skies from the Fresno Air National Guard Base, F-35s, F-15s, F-16s, and a T-38 kicking off this morning's Valley Thunder training. The training's goal is unique in simulating real combat situations.
Most exercises, we usually have unlimited resources, which has its pros and cons, but for this exercise, we are replicating if we lose aircraft one day or missiles that are on their jet when we lose them, we will not have access to them the next day.
Even taking out the pilots out of the combat simulation.
If a pilot is shot down, then they will not be participating in the next morning's missions. However, they will accomplish their basic dissimilar training in the afternoon.
This is the first time executing the Valley Thunder exercises, canceling last year's exercise due to COVID. Major Jamie Hastings hoping it showcases what the Fresno base has to offer.
Fresno is unique in that we have the ability to be centrally located in California. We have great access to multiple airspaces throughout the state. In addition, we have, especially this time of year, we have ideal weather conditions, so a beautiful blue sky day today. Great opportunity to experiment and prove that F-35s and other aircraft can effectively operate out of the Fresno airport. And so it's a great experience to have them here participating with us on our own ramp.
The Valley Thunder training continues through next Friday, February 12th, and Fresno's Air Force hopes to make it an annual event. Wealthy Jenner, KC24, local news that matters.